Welcome to Educare Online, a digital arm of Educare International Proprietary Limited, established specifically to impart free educational programs to children and adults alike based on the 5 fundamental human values of love, truth, right conduct, peace, and non-violence in order to achieve excellence in physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual domains of human personality. Education in Human Values program, Excellence Through Human Values. This is a program for early childhood and lower primary aged kids. Early childhood and lower primary education is not merely a convenient alternative to passive childcare or child minding while the parents are busy with their jobs. It is known that the period birth to 6 years is the most formative period in the lives of children. During this period, the blueprint of the personality of the child is laid. The child acquires language skills, shapes basic attitudes to life, develops prejudices or acceptance, learns to cooperate and form friendships, begins to understand and practice basic living skills. It is in this period that the child learns responsibility to self, to others, and the environment. The foundation of quality early childhood and lower primary development of the whole child is the development of the whole child in whom all the personality domains, physical, intellectual, emotional, social, and spiritual, are given appropriate importance so that the child gains an optimal start to life. At its core, the EHV program connects the child with their intrinsic nature. This works on the premise that the 5 human values are the elements of humanness as expressed through the 5 domains of human personality: physical, intellectual, emotional, social, and spiritual. The human values are not external or artificial. They are intrinsic to all human beings. The upbringing of a child based on human values develops their personality in a holistic manner. At the very core of human beings is their spirituality. All the domains, including the spiritual, are nurtured. The human values are sustaining and uplifting. They are aspects with the full blossoming of the human personality. Understanding and practicing the human values allows children to connect meaningfully to their family, friends, and community. The 5 human values of truth, right action, peace, love, and non-violence are expressed through the 5 domains of human personality, providing the children with sound character development. As their character develops, children recognize their individual worth and dignity, the worth and dignity of all other life forms, their physical and emotional interdependence with others and with the environment. In the EHV program, the overarching 5 human values and their character attributes will create in children a positive self-identity and unfold the innate potential in all their personality domains. The expression of these character attributes is the sign of a well-balanced child. The character attributes in the EHV program are listed under their corresponding human values as per the Human Values and Lessons grid shown on this slide. In this program, all the personality domains of the whole child are stimulated so as to lead to an integrated development of the physical, intellectual, social, emotional, and spiritual domains. The program is based on a grid of values, character attributes, that increase progressively in cognitive and emotional complexity. The values are framed in the form of affirmations, and the lessons support the affirmations. Through the program, the child is guided to form a living relationship with 5 Australian animals who represent the 5 human values of truth, right conduct, peace, love, and non-violence, and the dolphin who represents wisdom and harmony. In this program, all the techniques are at an age-appropriate level of complexity. The variety of techniques used in this program accommodates the different learning styles of the children. Each lesson focuses on one of the character attributes as displayed in the Human Values and Lessons grid. It is possible to cover all the lessons through the 2 years of kindergarten, early childhood, and lower primary school. This gives children a solid understanding of human values and the opportunity to experience and practice them as they move up into primary school. Teaching techniques used in this program. Teachers will already be familiar with the teaching techniques used in the EHV program. These techniques have been practiced in one form or another in education for many generations to convey ideals, concepts, traditions, and culture, and to fulfill the various educational objectives. The EHV program uses all of the techniques that are described here. Inspiration provides children with an affirmation, which is the take-home message. Mind map provides teachers with a visual cognitive representation for a deeper understanding of the character attribute. Focusing the mind relaxes children and enhances receptivity. Experiencing the value, creative visualization, gives the children an inner experience of the character attribute, linking it with positive emotions. Storytelling reinforces the character attribute through narration and verbal images. Songs and music conveys the character attribute through the medium of song and music. Activities give children opportunities to put the value statement into practice and promotes teamwork. There's also parent link provided in all of these lessons, which actively involves parents and caregivers, the vital ingredient to the child's successful character development and implementation of the program. The lessons also provide teachers with activity sheets, art and craft activities, songs, resource ideas, puppet templates of the 6 human values animals, a list of books with stories relevant to lesson. Please download a sample of the lesson above and experience it for yourself. If you are happy that this program is going to be useful, please go to our programs page and download the entire program, all 40 lessons, and a list of songs free of charge. Thank you.